Welcome to Atomik Factory. This channel is where I document the tools and projects I build for everyday use. If you're into privacy, open source, or software development, you might find something useful here too. So, let's get started. Today, I want to introduce Atomik Activity, a privacy-first, fully self-hosted replacement for Google Location History. If you've ever used Google Maps Timeline, you know how convenient it is to trace your steps. But it also means sharing your coordinates with a tech giant 24/7. Atomik Activity gives you a native Kotlin Android app on the front end and a high-performance C#.NET backend on the server. Your location history stays private and completely under your control. Background location tracking is battery optimized, using the Fuse location provider and activity recognition to pause location tracking when you are stationary. This keeps typical battery drain very low on my Pixel device. Step tracking is also implemented natively using the phone's built-in sensors, so there is no need to connect the app to Google Health, Google Fit, or any third-party health cloud. The dashboard offers a modern dark-themed timeline experience, using Osdroid with CartoDB Voyager tiles to display locations seamlessly with no external API keys required. If you lose connection, everything is safely buffered locally in a room database and synced automatically via Work Manager when you are back online. Let's look at how to run this self-hosted stack locally. First, clone the repo. The project files are available on Github, linked in the description and comment below. Make sure you have Docker running on your system. Navigate to the deploy folder. Run the following command. Here you can configure your Postgres password. Next, launch the entire application stack by executing this docker compose command. Now let's compile and run the native Android client. Change your directory to the mobile native folder. Build the debug version of the application from your command line by executing Gradle assembled bug. This compiles the Kotlin code, links Jetpack compose assets, and generates a debug APK in your build folder. Transfer the APK to your Android device and install it, or run it directly on your emulator with Gradle installed bug. Open the app, grant location, and navigate to the server settings panel. Input your computer's local LANIP address, or use the default emulator loopback, and hit save. Your phone will now sync coordinates and steps directly to your server. You can inspect the saved paths and health summaries through the Web Dashboard. All data remains under your absolute ownership. If you enjoyed this project, like, follow, and subscribe. And let's keep building a future where privacy and open source come first. Got a feature idea or a suggestion? Drop a comment below, but I'd love to hear your feedback. Cheers.